Yeah, Coco Mommy took a shower. Say hi, everybody. Say hello. Hello, everybody. Say I'm taking a shower. Look, I Coke in the shower. Can you see it? No, probably not. Look at Mommy's feet. Say hello. Mommy gonna wet my face cloth so I can chew on it. Say hello, Coco. You want your face cloth? Here. Want me to get your beak wet? Wash your beak. There you go. There you go. Say hello. Coco, say hello. Taking a shower with Mama? Little brat. Want some shampoo? Shampoo? No? You're fogging up the camera over here, kiddo. Come on, take a shower with Mama. Talk. Before we get the camera wet. Yeah, there you go. Get that face cloth. Where is it? I'm going to take your face cloth from you.